Interactive explanations, diagnosis and repair of reinforcement learning-based agent behaviors. In this paper, we present a novel interaction method that uses interactive explanations based on templates of natural language as a two-way communication method. With our interactive explanations framework, the thinking procedure of the bot is transparent, and users can provide corrections to the bot that include a suggested action to take, a goal to achieve, and the reasons behind these decisions. We use all this information to bias the exploration process of the bot to create policy patches that fix the unwanted behaviors with fast interaction cycles. Now, we'll show a demo of our framework. In this example, we're trying to fix a bug in the bot's behavior that makes it run into enemies when there are coins above them.
I think it's also important the distance to the enemy in the y-axis, so I change this variable, and I propose jumping right to kill our enemy, and I submit this fix. Now, the system is completing both a new policy, a patch for both the policy and the run function. Finished. Now let's see if the behavior is good or not.
Now, let's try to change the play style of the bot by making it collect more coins. Now, we'll update its playstyle to make it kill enemies that are behind it. Now, the bot faces this novel situation that stops it from advancing any further. Let's fix this bug.
Explanation looks good. On the variables, I'm just gonna change these to fast jump right. And I will need to enemy. Let's see. It means that with the given variables on the proposed action, he couldn't achieve this goal, so let's try to make it with progress in X. It's finished. Let's see the result.
Now let's review the level again. That's it. Thanks for watching our video.